Alright, so this is a spot that I normally fly a lot of analog at. Just want to see how this compares analog wise, and I'll run DJI next. Usually I get a lot of analog breakup around here. And pretty decent. I don't usually fly 500 milliwatts though, so usually I fly 200. Let's go down this way. And this building is kind of in the way here, this one that I'm looking at. Yeah, the analog breakup is definitely worse on analog on this spot here. And now I have clear line of sight. Let's go down this way to these trees. And I usually get a lot of analog breakup in this spot. And this is not bad. And let's try going down this path here. So it's definitely better than the parking garage test. Alright, so let's, and you guys have seen me fly DJI here plenty, but let's go and fly the mini transformer and see how this compares to DJI at 500 milliwatts. Alright, so this is the DJI system at 500 milliwatts. And you can see how the image looks, and there's like no breakup at all. Full 50 megabits. Let's go down this way. And you can see here how the image looks. Where analog and Byte gets a lot of breakup, I get full 50 megabits here at 500 milliwatts. And we'll head over to these trees. Still 50 megabits here. A little further. Still 50 megabits. No breakup in the video. Oh, now I'm down to like 40 megabits. Let's go down this path. Still at 50 megabits. No breakup at all. Head on back. Alright, so I ought to give you a good idea of the reception difference in terms of the signal quality. Let me know what you guys think.